Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today, we continue our journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 8. Today's story is called The Day He Stopped Comparing. Let's begin. There was a young man named Jason. Jason often compared himself to others. His friends were getting better jobs, earning more money, learning faster, and Jason felt left behind. Every time he opened social media, he saw success, smiles, achievements, and slowly, his confidence started going down. He began to think, I am not good enough. I am too slow. I am not like them. One day, Jason met his old teacher. The teacher looked at him and asked, "Why do you look so worried?" Jason shared everything. His thoughts, his fears, his comparisons. The teacher listened quietly. Then he said, "Come with me." They walked to a nearby park. The teacher pointed at two plants. One was a small plant. The other was a tall tree. The teacher asked, "Which one is better?" Jason looked confused. "The tree, I guess." The teacher smiled. "But this plant is younger. It is growing in its own time." Jason stayed silent. The teacher continued, "If the plant compares itself to the tree, it will feel small. But if it focuses on its own growth, it will become strong." Jason understood. For the first time, he saw things differently. That day, he made a decision. He stopped comparing. Instead, he started focusing on himself, his progress, his improvement, his journey. Days passed. Jason felt lighter, calmer, more confident. He still saw others succeed. But now, he was not afraid, because he knew his time would come. And that is the lesson of today's story. Comparison steals your peace. Everyone grows at a different speed. Focus on your journey, because your path is unique. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 8 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.